Hello friends! Let's proceed with the next slide. In this one, I want to create a moving background effect, but this time we will be moving the image backwards. Select the image and apply Grow Shrink animation from the Emphasize animations. Right-click the animation to open the effect options and change the size to 95%. Good, but if you play the preview animation, you will see that we faced the problem. The image becomes too small at the end of animation and it doesn't look good. The solution is simple. We need to increase the size of the image. Select the image and change its height to 8.21. The width will adjust automatically. Now we need to align its center and middle. Also, let's increase the length of animation to 3.25. Okay, good. There are two more elements on the slide that I want to animate. Two white lines placed above and under the text. Select them. Better use the selection pane and apply the wipe animation for the entrance. Let's change their duration to 0.25 and adjust the direction. The upper line should move from left and the lower line from right. Next, we need to add opening and closing animations. The last slide finished with the pink circle and covered it. That is why I think it will be good to apply the reverse effect. Create a new circle. Make it pink with no border. And change its size to 16.96 in width and height. Now we need to align its center and middle to cover the entire slide. Time to add the animation, the exit one. Zoom out. Change duration to 0.25 and move it on top of the animation pane above the rest animations. And for the transition, let's add the rectangle to the size of the slide. You can use the guides of navigation or hide the pink circle to see the slide. Color gray, no border. And apply entrance animation split. Direction vertical in, default one. Duration 0.25. Great, we finished the animation. All we need is to adjust the timing. Select all animations, click one of them and press Ctrl A. And choose Start with Previous. As for the timing, the exit animation starts at 0. Picture animation can also start at 0. The next two animations, lines on top and bottom, should start at the same time at 0.25. And the last animation, our transition, should start at the end of all animations at 3.25. Okay, you can play all to preview the animation. Also, we need to go to Transitions and mark the checkbox next to the After to make auto transition to the next slide. We finished the slide and I will see you in the next lesson.